Today, we're looking at the 10 best social media marketing templates for 2020. This colorful and striking collection of templates has something for every need, making it super easy to add sleek professionalism to your social media presence. Whether you're in need of a template for Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, or Snapchat, these stylish and professional designs have something to cater to every need. All items featured today are available with a subscription to Envato Elements. Find the link in the description below. Number 10. Instagram Stories by After Darkness 75. At number 10 today, we have an energetic After Effects template that creates beautiful Instagram stories with ease. With a huge variety of edit styles to choose from, this template is perfect for creating standout content that can also be used on Facebook Stories, Instagram Reels, TikTok, and Snapchat. Number 9. Animated Social Media Templates for Photoshop by Andrew Timothy. If you're looking for a way to make your social media marketing really stand out, then take a look at this animated social media template. With 10 easily customizable Photoshop files, simply change the text and drop in your own images to create a clean and sleek video perfect for any social media platform. Number 8. Big Sale Instagram Stories by Yeti. At number 8 today, we have an eye-catching vertical video template that's perfect for sales promotion. With 18 unique Instagram stories, full color control, and no plugins required, just add in your images or video and edit the text to create your story in seconds. Number 7. Russet by aqrstudio. Next up, we have a multi-purpose template that's great for both business and personal social media uploads. With 10 fully customizable styles, simply insert your content, replace images, and change the colors to get a final result entirely customized to your needs. Number 6. Shadows Instagram Stories by MotionBeard. Coming up next, we have a relaxed minimalist Instagram story template that would also work well across Facebook, TikTok, and Snapchat. With 10 beautiful monochromatic styles to choose from, this pack is easy to edit in Adobe After Effects and will help you to stylishly get information across to any audience. If you're enjoying this countdown, hit the like button and subscribe to the Envato YouTube channel for more. Number 5. Vertical and Minimal Sale Promo by GoGuFX. At number 5, we have a grungy paint splatter template that will add a pop of color to your next social media sales campaign. Fully editable, this template comes with a comprehensive video tutorial to help you create videos with ease. Number 4. Fashion Instagram Posts by aqrstudio. Next up, we have this elegant watercolor Instagram post template that is perfect for promoting your business, sales, new arrivals, and more. With 12 well-organized and visually engaging Photoshop templates to choose from, it's ready to give your Instagram profile the professional boost you were looking for. Number 3. Instagram Story Stomp by NeuronFX. At number 3, we have the perfect opener for your social media feed, a poppy typography-based 4K Instagram story template. With the ability to easily insert your own titles and images, it's a breeze to create a powerful video for Instagram or other social media. Number 2. Instagram Ultimate Pack V2 by Micromove. Next up, we have an effortlessly cool Instagram and social media template. With a clean, minimal visual style, creatively designed photo placeholders, beautiful typography, and punchy graphic elements, this template will help you elevate your social media presence to the next level. Number 1. Instagram Stories by Nullifier. Stand out from the crowd with this playful animated pack for Instagram posts and stories. With 195 designs across 3 size formats, striking typography, and punchy color options, this template makes upgrading your social media presence a whole lot of fun. That wraps up the roundup of the 10 best social media marketing templates for 2020. Did any of those items stand out to you? Let us know your favorite in the comments below, and open the video description for links to all the items shown here today. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the Envato YouTube channel for more helpful roundups. And check out the next video selected just for you.